Do you know history South Africa? Gunente sibiza, there's something we call the Boereoorlog. Hele gehoor van die Boereoorlog. Boereoorlog word so geskryf. Boereoorlog. Boereoorlog. Boereoorlog means the Boer War, when the English was fighting against the Afrikaners. The Afrikaners, there's a song they sing, Amapunu the Boere, that's a song that the Afrikaners sing. The song goes like, Delare, Delare. So, what Delare the General. This is a song that was written by the Afrikaner when the English killed and raped the Afrikaner wives and children. That is why the English and the Afrikaner, they hate one another. Because they were fighting for the land of South Africa. Amen. In fact, history. Now let me tell you something. For those who doesn't know, you will know. You know, God, today I'm going to mention him.